Prime Labs Men's Test Booster, Natural Stamina, Endurance and Strength Booster 60 caplets. Optimized physical performance, suffering from low test impacts energy, strength and stamina, which is why Prime Test is a natural test booster that revitalizes and restores your manhood. Build stronger and leaner muscles, a daily supplement that naturally increases test levels. You can melt away belly fat while having more energy to create lean, healthy muscles. Improved mood, Prime Test can give you the stamina, confidence and improved circulation you need to perform better physically both in and out of the bedroom. Healthy, natural formula. Our formula contains only the best natural ingredients, including horny goat weed, tonkat alley extract, saw palmetto extract and other essential health boosters. Made in the USA, Prime Labs products are highly tested to ensure quality and developed right here in the United States. That means you a circumflex Euro not only getting the best test booster, but one you can trust. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.